In front of me is iPhone 13 mini, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So you've got two methods of locating IMEI and serial numbers. The first one, to check your IMEI number, is to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And that's it. As you can see right in front of you, you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. Tap on cancel to go back. And now you can also open IMEI along with serial number via settings. To do it, just open the settings, go to your account, and here click on this iPhone mini. And as you can see here, you've got IMEI and serial numbers. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.